Welcome to MaxTrader. Two time frame candle analysis. In this video, we are going to see how to analyze a stock on two time frames. How to understand the happenings in a stock on the basis of two time frames. This will help you to take positions on intraday and also as well as positional trades. MaxTrader, our YouTube channel. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Two time frame analysis. In this, we are going to analyze 3 days candles and then we will trade. Main time frame we are keeping is 30 minutes. Secondary time frame we are keeping is 5 minutes. We are going to mark the range in 30 minutes. We are going to buy or sell when the range is broken in 5 minutes. Now, let us go and see what happens in some stocks and we'll try to understand. Trading day is 1st April. So I'm taking 1st April, before that 31st April and 30th April for trading analysis. On 1st April morning, I'm seeing the high of 30th. I'm seeing high of 30th. On the first of the day, we are going to trade. So I'm marking the high and low of 30th March. That means day before the trading day. Day before the trading day, I am marking the high and low as of 30 minutes. Now, I am waiting for the breakout to happen in the trading day. See here, the high was 14,876 and the low was 14,620. So, I am waiting on 1st April for the high to break or for the low to break. That happens only in the last minute. So I was waiting for the whole day on 1st April, but this was not happened and it happened only on the 315 candle. In the case of Nifty, the range has been broken. It was on sideways from 30th till 1st April. This sideways has been broken and a new high has been kept. But the candles did not close above the resistance level. In the coming days, if the market opens above these levels, we can see good up move. Now, we are going to analyze Nifty Bank. Being the trading day of 1st April, I have taken 30th March as my base day. So, on the base day, I have marked the high and low. So, the high was 33,990 and the low was 33,783. On 31st, the low has been broken and it came down. So on the day of 1st April, I was waiting for the high to break because the stock was in negative. So if only the high breaks, I can go for a buy. So I was waiting for the high of 33,950 to break, but on that day, did it happen? So Nifty Bank is in sideways. Only if it breaks 30th April high, then only we can go for a buy in this Nifty on 1st April. But it didn't happen on that day. Now we are watching ICICI Bank. On 30th March, the high was 593 and the low was 582.50. On 1st April, I was waiting for this high to break. That happened 593. That happened at 215. From there, it went up to 595.55 and then it went up to 96.10. The range bound market has been changed into trending market in the case of ICICI. So at the same time, I'm watching 5 minutes also. 5 minutes candle is showing some good power. It's trying to close above the resistance level and it happened. So ICICI Bank is bullish as of 30 minutes and 5 minutes. Now I'm taking Hindalco. I'm marking the high of 30th March and the low of 30th March. On 1st April, what happened? So I was waiting for the market to open. In the second candle itself, the resistance level of 332 has been broken. From that level, it went up to 352. This is the power of breakout. So friends, you have to analyze the trend in 30 minutes and confirm it in 5 minutes. Any close above the levels is very important. In 5 minutes close is very much important for buying or selling over here. Now, I'm taking the stock Grasim. I'm marking the high of 30th March and low of 30th March. On 1st April, I was waiting for the high to break. In the first candle itself, it opened above the resistance level. So there was no trade. As of now, there was no trade because it opened above gap up opening. So there was no trade in Grasim as per 30 minutes and also as per 5 minutes. But the trend is positive in this stock. Two time frame analysis. Days of analysis is 3 days. In that we are marking the high and low of the day before the trading day. If you are trading on Monday, leave Friday, you take Thursday, mark the high and low. If you are trading on Friday, leave Thursday, mark the high and low of Wednesday in 30 minutes. Then you have to wait for the high or low break on the exact trading day. If that high breaks, you go for a buy and it is confirmed in 5 minutes, then you can go for a buy. Or else if it breaks the low, you can go for a sell with a confirmation on 5 minutes also. As per this strategy, you can expect a returns of 0.5% to 1%. Watch the candles and trade safely. This video is only for educational purpose. For more details, if you wish to learn more, you can contact us on our number. Thank you.